Today's word is latch onto s. It means to become attached to something. To develop a strong interest in or connection with something or someone. Here are two examples using this word. The shy child quickly latched onto the friendly teacher on the first day of school. Investors are latching onto the new AI technology, believing it will be the next big trend. Some synonyms and antonyms to help you understand the word better. Synonyms are cling to, attach to, seize on. Antonyms are let go, release, disregard. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, like this video, and hit the bell icon for more daily vocabulary words.